Hi there, this is Jane with janesagenda.com, and today we're going to be assembling a disc-bound planner together. Today we are using the royal blue vegan leather planner cover in size 6. It is the half letter size with 8 disc punches. We're also going to be using the 1.5 inch onyx black metal discs. And the first step that we're going to do is we're going to put the discs right on the cover. And one at a time, we're going to put the discs into the hole. You're going to make sure to be careful because you don't want to bend these little tabs. We get questions all the time, how do I put my planner together? So hopefully this helps you. Now once you have one on, you're going to make sure that you know which side your top and which side your bottom is because you want them to match. And then we're going to go ahead and put the back on. Okay, the next step we're going to do is put the dividers on if you choose to use dividers. These ones are the blue ombre numbered dividers. And everything that I'm using today can be purchased at janesagenda.com. I like to put 3 to 4 dividers at a time onto my discs. Again, you're going to be careful to try not to bend the little tabs. Go slow. If it feels like you are having to force them onto the discs, you've got too many pages. And you'll notice the more that you put on your discs, the less they wiggle around. And now that we have our dividers on, we can go ahead and put our insert pages on. Okay, now we're going to put our monthly pages on our planner. Today we're going to be using the monthly number 26. All of our monthlies come with this handy if found section at the front. I like to put these right in front of my dividers. That way it's the first thing people see when they open my planner, just in case I lose it. They know who to return it to. And then each of our monthly pages is going to go behind the appropriate tab. So January behind the 01 tab. And so forth all the way through the year. I like to put the dividers on first. It helps keep everything in order. You can certainly do it in whatever order makes you happy. This monthly number 26 is a Sunday start on one page. And on the back, it has this handy at-a-glance information for the month. Very functional for being just one sheet of paper each month. Okay. And then once you have all your monthly pages in, you flip back to the front, start over. All right, now we're going to be putting our weekly pages on the planner. We are using weekly number 6. Take that cover sheet off. You don't need that. All right, and all of our weeklies are broken up so that you can put them behind dividers. See, we have these nice breakers between. So I'm just going to find the January set of pages, and we're going to put these behind our monthly, but before the February tab. Just like that. Weekly number 6 is also a very functional layout. We have all sorts of layouts for you to pick from at janesagenda.com. Part of the joy that we offer is that you get to build the perfect planner for you based on your lifestyle and your needs. No two people are the same. Nobody has the same lifestyle. So you can build a completely unique setup just for you, exactly the way you want to plan. We're just going to keep going, putting the next month behind each set of tabs. When you build a planner with us, you build an investment. It's something that's going to give back to you in functionality, productivity. It is also going to make you happy because it's going to be something that you picked out and designed just for yourself. We have so many different cover options, sizes, layouts. We did the math. There's something like 4 million different options you can build at janesagenda.com. So you really can have a completely unique setup just for you. We also pride ourselves on quality. So every page is 120 GSM, which is a nice thick, buttery smooth, bright white paper. We tab all of the dividers ourselves here in the workshop in small batches so we can keep them looking as pretty as possible. Even our vegan leather cover here was designed to our specifications. I missed some pages. And that's okay. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change that out. You just pull from the top carefully, and there they are. I'm just going to put those behind August.
Motion detected at the office.
We're almost done. If you're new to Discbound, the joy of Discbound is that you can turn the whole planner 360 degrees all the way around. You can hold it one-handed, just like a notebook. You can add pages in. You can add cardstock dashboards. You can add vellum. There's all sorts of things that you can do. And the longer you have the same planner, the more it becomes an extension of you, the more it shows your personal style, and the more joy it brings you. Okay, so we're all done. We have completed our Discbound planner.